Welcome to this video, where we will explore how to easily upload files to your Dropbox app using your phone. Whether you need to store important documents, share media, or keep your files safe in the cloud, this guide will walk you through the process in a clear and simple way. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Next, tap on the Files section located at the bottom. Then, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to open the Upload menu. You will see three options: upload photo or video, upload files, or upload folder. Choose the option that matches what you want to upload. After that, navigate through your device's storage to find the file, photo, video, or folder you want to add to Dropbox. Finally, press and hold the item you want, then tap Select at the top of the screen to confirm the upload. Wait for the process to complete, and your file will now be available in your Dropbox account. In conclusion, uploading files to Dropbox from your phone is quick and convenient, allowing you to keep your important documents safe, organized, and accessible anywhere you go.